Okay, have, has and had. What are they? And how do you use them? We're going to find out right now. But if this is your first time to the channel, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification right next to it for the latest uploads, because this channel is all about helping you improve your English, expand your vocabulary and speak like an English native man. Let's get started. So let's look at, firstly, let's look at have. Have being the root verb, showing what's in your possession, an action to show what you have in your possession, whether physical or what's called concrete or even abstract. I have an idea. Aha. Something non-tangible that you can't touch. I have a headache. I have an idea. I had a thought. Well, I have anything. I have a pen. I have a whiteboard. I have a camera. I have suspenders. Very fashionable. Very fashionable. So we then say, well, then we then use to say, I have, they have, I have, we have, us, we have. I have a guitar. We have a plan. We have a plan. Aha. It's in our possession. Our possession. Possession. But then, let's go a little further. Because we have, but then we can, what's called contract it. So I have, we simply turn it into I've. I've got a guitar. I've got a plan. I have an idea. Or I have an idea. I've. Simply get rid of the vowel and the consonant H and the A. Get rid of it. And replace it with an apostrophe. Apostrophe. I've. I've got. I've. You've got. We've got. They've got. They've got a house. We've got a city. They've got a mansion. We've got a castle. But then let's look at the negative as well. Like no. No. Have not. I haven't got. Haven't. Get rid of the O. Replace an apostrophe. Haven't. And contract it together. I have not got a plan. I have not got a pen. I haven't got a tie. No, I haven't got a tie. I haven't got a tie. I haven't got a tie. What haven't you got? I've got suspenders. What have you got? I haven't got a tie. What haven't you got? You tell me, comment below. I haven't got anything. But then, how would you create a question? Interesting question, smart question to ask. Do you have a? All you do is the you and the have. You have a. You have a tree. Swap them around. Move them. Do and add. Do. Do you have? Or do. No, yeah, that's right. Just do you. Actually, yeah. Never mind that one. Yeah. Just do you have? Do you have? Add do at the beginning. That's it. Do you have? Or don't you have? Do you have a chair? Do you have a chair? Don't you have a chair? You don't? You don't? Why not? Don't you have a bin? Don't you have a clock? Do you have a door? Do you have an idea? Do you have a video? Do you? Do you? You tell me. You tell me what you've got. You tell me. So that's it. Have. The basic root verb showing what's in your possession. I have a, I have, they have, we have, you have, I have a guitar, I haven't, I have not, I've got, do you have, do they have, do you have, do we have, do we have, do we have a chair? Don't know. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. So, let's look at has then. Again, it's in someone's possession, but it's from the third person perspective. So he, she, he, it, and even names has it. So she hasn't got the chair. Adrian has the guitar. Adrian has the guitar. Jessica has got the car. James has got the wall. He's got the wall somehow. I don't know how he got the wall, but he's got the wall. It has something wrong. It has the bone. It has the hole. I don't know. The dog. It has a tail. Has a tail. No. But what's interesting about this one is we don't use do when forming a question. We don't use it. Because do he has it? Do he has it? Does he has it? Does he has it? No. You see, the verb already has the S in it. She has it. Do she has it? Does she has it? No. Already got an S. The phrase itself can already be a question. He has the chair. He has the chair. He has the chair. He has the chair. It has a tail. It has a tail. It has a tail. Adrian has the guitar. Adrian has the guitar? Does Adrian has the guitar? No. So look, the verb already has S. So we don't need to put do or does to make it a question. But to make it negative, again it's the same. She hasn't. N-O-T, drop the O, replace it with an apostrophe. Has not. Hasn't. She hasn't got an idea. She hasn't got a headache. She has a headache. She hasn't got a headache. She has a guitar. She has a guitar. Yeah. Very cool. Nice. This is the third person singular. So again, we're talking about something or someone. This is why you can include names. If I'm at third person, you're looking at them and you're commenting, you're asking, you're talking about things. Adrian has a guitar. It has a tail. She has an idea. She has an idea. Ah, it's the third person. The first person is your perspective. The third person is looking at them. Second is something in the middle. So the second's an interesting one. But third person, looking at them. First person, I have a pen. From your perspective, Adrian has a pen. Do Adrian has a pen? Does Adrian has a pen? No. Adrian has a pen? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Adrian has a pen. Do you have a pen? Adrian has a pen. Cool. Let's look at one more then. One more. So lastly then, had is the past tense verb. In the past. The past. So something was in possession, but not anymore. It was in your possession, but not anymore, for reasons being. So no more. I had a pen. I had 2 pens actually. I had quite a few pens. I had, but not anymore. Not anymore. So I, we, she, he, it, and they. They, it, he, she, we, and I. Excuse me. Yeah. I had 2 pens, for example. I had 2 pens. I had a bigger whiteboard, but not anymore. I had a tie, but I don't wear them when I'm recording videos. I wear these fashionable suspenders. So I had an idea to wear suspenders because they're more unique. Yeah. More unique. We had a plan to go on holiday. She had a headache when she was too close to the TV. He had some chores to do. He had some things to do around the house. He had some things to do, but he's finished them now, and he is now relaxing. It had a problem with its tail, but not anymore. They had a suggestion. They had a suggestion, an idea, a suggestion of something we could improve upon. Had. But then I could simply say, they had ice cream for dessert. Ice cream. Oh, I had brain freeze. Oh. Yeah. Has, to make questions, has she had? Has she had her... has she had her homework? Has she had her lesson? Or have you had? Have you had your guitar back from the shop? Has it been repaired? When did you get it back? I had it since Monday. I have got it. It's been mine since Monday. Yeah. How cool is that? But if you want to learn more English, expand your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman, then I suggest I currently have a suggestion for you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification right next to it for the latest uploads and videos. There's more to come. There's more to come. But until then, bye for now, and keep learning English, and subscribe, and keep going. Keep learning English with Adrian.